I'm Jan Żylicz. I'm a group leader at DanStem. Each cell of our body has plenty of DNA. However, it only needs a very small subset of it in order to execute its program. DNA is like a giant IKEA manual for all their furniture, where the pages have been misplaced. We study a process called epigenetics. Epigenetics are like bookmarks in this incomprehensible manual, reminding the cell which parts of it are useful and which ones are not. We want to understand how these bookmarks are placed shortly after fertilization, and how the position of these bookmarks is influenced by the embryo's environment. A misplaced bookmark can have profound implications for the development, but also for life after birth.